You are going to love the 2026 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, carpeted front rear floor mats. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.